Charlotte with the Investing News Network, and I'm here today with Scott, our base metals reporter. We are here to talk about what happened in the base metals market in the month of June. Scott, let's start by talking about Australia. I know there were a number of developments in the base metals space there last month.
Certainly. Well, the iron ore miners of the land down under have been pulling out the checkbooks this month. Three of them collectively announced they'd be spending $6.5 billion on replacement mines in the coming years. So first out of the block was Fortescue Metals. They said they'd be spending $1.27 billion on their Eliwana project. Then there was BHP. They said they'd be spending $2.9 billion on their South Flank project. And then Rio Tinto said they'd be spending $2.2 billion on their Koodaideri project. Now, all three of these are located in the Pilbara of Western Australia, where there's been plenty of other big news this month. So, as covered extensively by INN's Australia reporter Olivia De Silva, three major companies have been circling a fourth, Atlas Iron. So the three, which include Fortescue, want to buy Atlas Iron because they want access to their berthspace at Port Hedland. Port Hedland is where all of the iron ore mined in the Pilbara is shipped out of. There's plenty about this on our website, but as of the end of June and the start of July, it's looking like Australia's richest woman, Gina Reinhardt's company, Hancock Prospecting, will be going home with the prize that is Atlas Iron.
Certainly one to watch in the weeks to come. What can you tell me about copper? What did we see for that base metal last month?
Well, in big news, Ivanhoe Mines has a new largest shareholder, with the Chinese mega conglomerate CITIC purchasing a 19.9% stake in the Canadian company for $723 million. So, according to Ivanhoe, the proceeds from that will be going towards its three major projects in Africa. That includes the Kamoa-Kakula copper project and the Kipushi zinc copper project, both in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. So the news gave the Canadian miner a healthy boost at the time, but in the end, Ivanhoe lost 19% of its value through June. They started out at $3.30 and ended up at $2.67, possibly due to trade war jitters.
Just to close out, what can you tell me about base metals prices?
Well, as noted by analysts everywhere, base metals have been down this month. Copper saw a 2.46% fall in value, nickel was down 1.5%, and zinc was the hardest hit at 4.56% down. It could have been worse for zinc. At one point it was 6.3% below its value at the start of the month. Lead held steady, and iron ore has been down as well, with news that China's interest in the vital metal may be waning.
Thanks for the interesting overview. We'll leave our June update for base metals there. Once again, I'm Charlotte.
And I'm Scott with the Investing News Network.
You can tune back in next month when we review the month of July. In the meantime, please follow us on Twitter at INN_resource and on Facebook at Resource Investing News. See you next time.